Hello and welcome to the online class organized by Modern Group of Institutions. My dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter number 13, Chloe Confused. आज हम लोग एक नया चैप्टर शुरू करने वाले हैं, Chloe Confused. So let's start the chapter. Chloe was very cross. Charlie, who sat next to her at school, teased her daily. He would say she couldn't say her name properly. Chloe was very cross, which means she was very angry. Why she was angry? Because her friend Charlie would say that she couldn't say her name properly. Chloe गुस्सा में रहती थी. क्यों? क्योंकि उसका दोस्त चार्ली हमेशा उसको चिढ़ाता था, कहता था कि तुम अपना नाम ठीक से नहीं बोल पाते. Your name begins with CH. Why do you sound it with the K sound as in cat? He would say. You should sound it with the CH sound or ch sound as in chair. Chloe was very cross. Her teacher, Mrs. Chen, had taught the class that C and H made a ch sound like the one in chalk. Chloe did not want to argue, but she knew it would sound silly to say her name that way, like Chloe. She tried saying Chloe with the ch sound as in chat, Chloe. How stupid it sounds, she said to herself. और क्लोई एकदम ही गुस्सा में रहती थी क्योंकि उसका दोस्त ने कहा कि तुम अपना नाम को क्लोई क्यों बोलते हो, जो कि सी एच से शुरू होता है. सी एच वाला आवाज तो चा होता है. तुम अपना नाम के से क्यों बोलते हो, लिखते हुए सी एच लिखते हो लेकिन बोलते हुए क्लोई बोलते हो क्यों. और क्लोई भी गुस्सा हो गई. क्लोई का टीचर मिसेस चेन ने सिखाया था कि सी एच साउंड को च साउंड बुलाया जाता है, जैसे कि चेयर. लेकिन क्लोई कोशिश किया पहले क्लोई ने सी एच साउंड को च जैसा बोलने के लिए, लेकिन उसका नाम वैसे बोलेंगे तो स्लो ही हो जाएगा. इट साउंडेड स्टूपिड, उसको अच्छा नहीं लगा, इसलिए वो क्लोई ही बोलते रह गई. Chloe was cross with Mrs. Chen for telling the children that C and H made a CH sound as the one in cheese. She was cross with Charlie for teasing her about her name. She was cross with her parents for giving her a name that began with CH but did not sound like ch in chocolate. So Chloe was cross with everyone. सबसे वो गुस्सा में थी, सबसे पहले टीचर से, मिसेस चेन से, क्योंकि उन्होंने सिखाया कि सी एच साउंड चा होता है, चॉकलेट, लेकिन उसका नाम तो स्लोई नहीं था, उसका नाम तो क्लोई था. वो गुस्सा था अपने दोस्त चार्ली से, जो हमेशा उसको चिढ़ाता था. वो गुस्सी थी अपना पेरेंट्स से भी. शी वॉज एंग्री विथ हर पेरेंट्स एज वेल, जो उसका नाम ऐसा रख दिया. सी एच से शुरू होता है, CHOLE, लेकिन बोला जाता है Chloe. That's why she was angry with every. So my dear students, till now we understood that Chloe was angry with everybody. Why? Because her name was written Chloe, CHOLIE, but she was being teased by her friend, and CH sound was cha, but in her name everyone used to call her Chloe. The pronunciation was K. That's why she was angry with her teacher, Mrs. Chen, with her friends Charlie, and with her parents as well. We will continue with this chapter. We'll understand more. Till then, take care and have a good day.